In addition to reviewing various cars on this channel, I'm also going to use this channel as an opportunity to show you some of the really awesome driving roads that we have here in East Tennessee where I live. I've actually lived in several different countries. I've traveled the world, and I can tell you that East Tennessee is one of the most beautiful places that I have been at. And if you're a driving enthusiast, one of the best things about living in East Tennessee is that you have awesome roads that you can be driving on within minutes of anywhere that you live. The Tail of the Dragon is less than 25 minutes away from here. The Foothills Parkway, the Smoky Mountains. There's so many awesome cars that you can be, taking your favorite sports car on and enjoying it for a weekend drive. So that's certainly one of the things that I'm going to be profiling on this channel, and hope that you enjoy it. Thanks.